So starting the drive here in the F-150 Lariat with the PowerBoost V6, this engine is very strong. And it's almost weird how it drives. I can feel the bottom end torque from the battery, or from the electric motor, excuse me. And it's extremely potent. And I see where they get those torque numbers. Very strong engine. And the 10-speed does a good job, but even though you have the electric motor and the gas-powered engine, it's able to kind of go between all of that as need be with little issue, which is impressive in itself. That's why most people usually put either a 6-speed automatic or a CVT, something like that, in a hybrid. I'm gonna put it in a sport mode because I think I'm gonna have some open road here and just see how it accelerates. Oh gosh. Oh man. Now that is impressive. That is extremely impressive. Oh, that put a smile on my face. Just very quick. There's something flapping around. I think it's a piece of paper out there. Yeah. But I mean, this thing is just so fast. It's insane. What is that? Anyways, I don't know what that rattling sound is. I don't know if you all can hear it. But after I did that pull, it probably loosened something up because it was gone. Just insane acceleration for a pickup truck. It almost felt as good as the F-150 Lightning. Now, of course, that's full electric, and that thing will do 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds, 4.5 seconds. But you could feel the turbos, you could feel the battery. You just have so much torque. It's insane. Now, what's great about the eco mode is it's meant to be in eco mode. When you put your foot down and the truck knows you want to accelerate, it doesn't try and hold you back as much as other eco modes I've used in different vehicles. But the drivability of this truck is just 10 out of 10. It's so great. The sport mode, you really are getting all the power you need. The eco mode, it's eco-friendly, but it's not holding you back. And when you're in a full-size pickup truck, you don't want something that drives like a Nissan Sentra. So just a great feel all the way around. But you do get that. There's a reason they call it the PowerBoost, because gosh, you were feeling that. Absolutely incredible acceleration. I can't say enough about that. Now I'm gonna put the truck back into sport mode now, and I want to see how it accelerates manually while we get on the interstate. But I can tell you the shifts on this thing are super quick in sport mode, particularly. Yeah, that is so fantastic. And the sound of the truck is great as well. You wouldn't expect that with a V6 hybrid, even with it being the EcoBoost, but still incredible. That is nuts. Now, in terms of ride quality, the F-150, pretty good ride so far. Try and get over again. Yeah, just great pull. I'm gonna put the cruise on now for a minute. We have the lane keeping system here just for a quick second because I have to get over. But in terms of competition, I really like Ford's system the best in terms of just having lane centering and adaptive cruise, only because Super Cruise is not more widely available. Super Cruise is the best to me, but there's a reason for that. That's why they charge you like $3 grand to get it. But what you get on here without having to pay a bunch extra is fantastic. And when it comes to the Silverado and the Ram, still, I think it's tied for the best option at this point, even after Chevy redid their trucks. I mean, in terms of your engine options, how good the transmission is, just how much of a joy it is to drive this, and just all the safety features you get. There's a reason it's been the best-selling truck for so long, and this will bring me to the end of my review of the new 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat.